Hai guys, ketemu lagi bareng gue Mei. Saat ini gue lagi ada di Guci, Tegal. Nah, gue lagi explore beberapa destinasi wisata yang ada di Guci. Salah satunya ini nih guys, nih gue nemu curug cantik banget. Namanya Curug Serwiti. Curugnya ini udah terkelola dengan baik banget karena indah banget dan jarak dari pintu masuk itu ke dalam naik gak terlalu jauh guys. Dan curugnya indah banget guys. Lokasinya gak jauh dari Pancuran 13. Cukup jalan kaki naik sedikit kita udah sampai di Curug Serwiti. So, buat teman-teman yang lagi muter-muter di Guci, nah jangan lupa mampir ke sini ke Curug Serwiti. Bagus guys, bener recommended banget. Tiket masuknya cuma 10.000 ya guys. Oke, cus ini dia Curug Serwiti.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out